Hello again. Welcome back to Finally France. I'm Bonnie, and today we're going to be doing a few jobs around the castle. So come along, and we hope you have a little bit of fun watching. Talk to you later. It's going to be a busy day here today at La Grande Couture. We have a lot of trades here that are going to be giving quotes, and we're going to be getting going on the stairwell. It is the main stairwell. It's winding about 500 years old, over 500 years old, and it's got quite a bit of wear, and so we're going to be taking care of that, as well as adding a handrail. We do have professional iron workers here, and unfortunately, the first round of doing the handrail, they did not get it right. We wanted it wound around the stonework in the center, and they did kind of a vertical shot and then twisted it so that actually the bottom side was out towards us and we could see it. So unfortunately, we had to get them to remake it, which they did, and their craftsmanship was absolutely amazing. We finally got what we wanted, and we're really happy with that. As you can see in this picture, the stairs really do have a lot of wear, so that is the next task. So we've had a few mishaps, and that's liable to happen when you're doing castle renovation, but we're going to show you what some of those were. Here we go. I'm just wondering if any of you can see the first mishap. Yes, it's true. They only put the sheeting halfway up the wall when they were about to grind all the stonework. And you can imagine what happened after that was 2 solid weeks of cleaning 2 stories, 3 rooms back, all over the castle. There was a huge thud, and we all went running, and what had happened is they had drilled through the layer below the stair where they were replacing the stonework, and some rocks had fallen and actually hit the toilet in the bathroom below and smashed out the back of the base of the toilet. They were actually very helpful and agreed to put in a new toilet. The next thing to happen was when the plumbers came to install it, they accidentally dropped the top of the back and smashed it. And we needed to wait a couple weeks then for a new top to come in and get it installed. We also had them reroute some of the plumbing because we didn't like it up top like this. While doing all the work, they opened one of the doors and broke the handle too. So it was just one thing after another. And I now needed to do something positive that was pretty. And so I decided to put up some little crystal sconces. With the stairwell now complete, I was able to focus on one of the spare rooms upstairs, and it was not to our taste as far as decor, so we wanted to change it more to the theme. I had a lot of my Hawaiian furniture and artifacts and things in this room, so we decided to go with the blue so that it would coordinate with everything else that we had going on in there. The Christmas before, we really enjoyed the decor and the feel of the dining room. There was only one thing missing, and that was light. The room was so dark, and so I had a chandelier from my former home, and it was going to work in here because it did have the dark iron base to it. It's kind of the running thing that we're putting through whenever we're adding crystal into the castle. We're making sure that it has the black iron base so that it does fit into the decor of the place. The entire chandelier had been disassembled for shipping, so we went ahead and cleaned and polished every one of the crystals and then reassembled the chandelier in place. Thanks again for joining us today, and we hope you've enjoyed watching some of our catastrophes. It is castle renovation after all. If you've enjoyed this episode, please do like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave some comments because that's important to us, what you have to say. Thanks again. We'll talk to you soon.